What's the meaning of all around? All around. All around. All around. All around. All around.
The term all around typically refers to someone or something that is versatile or well-rounded in a variety of areas or skills. For example, an all-around athlete would be proficient in multiple sports or events, while an all-around employee would have a diverse set of skills and be able to handle various tasks. The phrase suggests a level of competence across different categories, rather than specialization in just one area. Being all around can be advantageous in certain contexts, such as job applications or athletic competitions that demand versatility.